Introduction to Goodbudget.
Goodbudget is a budgeting app that brings the classic envelope system into the digital age. Designed to help users plan and track their spending, Goodbudget divides income into virtual envelopes, each representing a budget category. This review will explore how well the app helps with financial planning and sticking to spending goals.
How the digital envelope system works.
With Goodbudget, you assign money to separate digital envelopes, such as groceries, rent, or entertainment. Each time you record a purchase, you deduct the amount from the appropriate envelope. This system makes it easier to visualize remaining funds and avoid overspending in specific categories.
Key features and usability.
Goodbudget is known for its simplicity and user-friendly interface. It supports syncing across devices, so multiple household members can update shared budgets in real time. The app doesn't link directly to bank accounts, requiring manual entry, which some users find increases mindfulness about spending.
Pros and cons of Goodbudget.
Pros include clear envelope-based tracking, structured planning, and helpful reports to monitor progress. Manual updates enhance awareness of spending habits. Cons include the time needed for manual entry and limited automation compared to some competitor apps. Some advanced features are only available in the paid version.
Is Goodbudget effective for your goals?
Goodbudget is an effective tool for those who appreciate hands-on budget management and envelope-style planning. It works best for users seeking clarity, control, and shared planning with family members. If you value automation or want direct account syncing, alternatives may suit you better.
Conclusion. Is digital envelope budgeting right for you?
Goodbudget successfully digitizes the envelope method, helping many users stick to their spending targets. If you prioritize mindful budgeting and simple category tracking, it's a strong choice. As with any tool, effectiveness depends on your financial habits and preferences.